Hey and welcome to my channel. In this IKEA hack video, we will make a unique stool that can also be used as a beautiful side table. I'll be happy to know what you think about it, and subscribe for more. I'll appreciate it a lot. Enjoy!
I can see it in your eyes, I can feel it in your touch, I can hear it in your voice, though you haven't said that much. Through an empty bottle, I can see it all so clear. All these broken pieces will be scattered in the wind. With it far too long. Some people change when they grow old, but I don't want to say that you've been wrong, because I'm not that bold. Through an empty bottle, I can see it all so clear.